Hi, Olivia. Does that taste good? Does that hand taste good, Olivia? I guess so, huh? Say hi to Daddy, Olivia. Hello, Daddy. No? You don't want to say hello to Daddy? You're busy eating your hand, huh, baby? Yeah? That's yum yum, isn't it? Look at that. Look at you. Hi. Hi, Mama. Yeah?